you today? This is Teacher Malu. Welcome to the Word of Fun and Learning. Come and join me. Today, we are going to learn about an action word or verb. Do you know what an action word is? An action word tells what something or someone does. An action word is called verb. Verbs are something that we do. Jump, run, dance, read, write, eat, drink. Again, let us repeat. Jump, run, dance, read, write, eat, drink. Good job! Now, let us learn more about an action word or verb. Look at the picture. This is Kevin. Kevin is helpful. He helps his mother at home. He cleans the house. He sweeps the floor. He washes the dishes. He waters the plants too. Now, what are the action words or verbs used in the sentences? Yes? Good job! The word helps, cleans, sweeps, washes, and waters are action words or verbs. So again, what is an action word or verb? Yes? An action word tells what someone does. Excellent! Now, let me see how much have you learned from the lesson. As I say the sentence, you identify the verb or the action word. Kevin plants vegetables in the garden. She drinks milk every day. Carissa bakes her favorite cookies. Vanessa scrubs the floor. Anna washes the dishes. Yes, all your answers are correct. Good job! I hope you have learned something. See you again. Bye!